YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to bring you another review. And this review is not a sneaker review. This is a special review. I got a special delivery from my homie, my fam, Jaythesneakerguy sent me over a package. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this package and check out and see what your boy sent me, man. So I appreciate. I'm gonna go ahead and tag Jay, and you know everybody knows who Jaythesneakerguy is, man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and we're gonna see what you sent your boy. So let's get into it. And if you're an OG, welcome back to the channel, man. New subscribers, welcome over here. We're into fits and kicks, so if you're into that type of thing, you're definitely in the right place. So go ahead and subscribe, share the channel with friends and family, like, do all those good things, man. So we gonna, oh yeah, Jay got this. He taped this up with that real theft protection tape. It's even hard for my knife to cut it. Appreciate that. All right, I make sure I didn't cut. Okay, now we good. I didn't damage the goods that's inside the box, so let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Your boy sent me one of his limited Jaythesneakerguy JTS Closet, JTS hats in this nice packaging right here, packed up nicely. Go ahead and open it up, man. See what we got. Cool. Yeah, this is clean. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah. Got some extra items in here as well. So this is Jaythesneakerguy's collaboration with Clockwork Skate Shop out there in, I believe it's in Georgia. And I'll put their Instagram up on the page as well. So you can call and order if you're not in the area, or you can stop by the store. But on this side, it's got the Clockwork. Hopefully that's bringing it in. I'm not sure if that's whitening it out, but yeah. The Clockwork right there. With the shield, the pirate, almost reminds me of Raiders, and then you got Clockwork on the back with an X and JTSG, Jaythesneakerguy. So this is their collab. Hopefully that's coming in clear. You can see that. Beautiful, man. Thanks, I appreciate that. And here's the hat. It's fire. So Jay designed this hat to go with the Jordan 3 True Blue, the True Blue 3s that just came out. Oh damn, the 2026 pair. So you can see it's got the Chicago Cubs right there, the Cub right there, got the C with the red outline in that black right there on the front. On the side you got that blue New Era sign right there. And on this side, I think Jay said he put the year. Okay, so it's the 2016 World Series champs when they won the World Series in 2016 on that side of the hat. On the back, you got the MLB logo. On the top of the hat, you got the little red, what do you call that right there? Button right there on the top. And then you got the blue brim right there on the front. And I wear a size 7, 59 fitted New Era official. Man, my boy's official with it. Even got the 59 fitted New Era inside the hat as well. Okay, this is what I appreciate a lot as well. So normally, like I don't really like buy white hats a lot because normally the brim is all whited out as well. But I like how Jay made the brim on this black so that it won't show like the dirt and you know when it gets dingy after you wear your hats for a while. So I appreciate that. Definitely, that's going to help with the longevity of the hat. On the back here, of course, this is official whistle, man. Of course, you got the hat size right here on the back. Then you got the New Era right here logo. And then right here it says, is that Cooperstown Collection. Right there on the back is another patch. So this is official, man. Jay, man, this is fire. Got the MLB on the bottom right here. Normally, I don't know, how do you guys wear your stickers on your hats, or do you take the stickers off when you get your hats? Comment in the comment section down below. Me personally, I take my stickers off when I get my hats. I like to, rock it, raw dog, if you will, you know what I mean? So this is fire. And then I just noticed that the Cub is in that silver outline in red, or a gray outline in red. So that goes right with the True Blue 3s. I don't have mine down here right now, but yeah, this is go perfect with my Jordan 3 True Blues. And Jay, so I just wanted to unbox the hat right now and do the review real quick. This should show the people and show my guy Jaythesneakerguy some love, man. So what I'm gonna do, Jay, I'm gonna definitely post this on Instagram, things of that nature. But I want to do this justice, man. I want to put this together with a fit. Now I order a pair of shorts that should be coming in the next couple of days. So next week, probably mid next week, I'm gonna go ahead and actually do an actual fit check. I'm gonna do a whole fit with the True Blue 3s, the hat, the shorts that I cop. I'm gonna go ahead and show them how to put it together with your limited hat, your limited True Blue 3 Chicago Cub hat, man. So I want to make sure I represent right. You heard? So stay tuned for that. That should be, I'm gonna post that on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is down1914, same handling. I'll put that up on the right hand side as well. And make sure you follow Jaythesneakerguy, subscribe to his YouTube channel, subscribe to his Fitted with Jay channel as well. So that's like a life, he gives like a day in the life of different things on that channel, different type of content, but it's still Jaythesneakerguy all the way around. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna post it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, things of that nature when I put this together with a fit, because this hat is fire. Perfect for the summertime. And with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.
Rock money now.